Good morning. Now it's rhymes time. Hello, my students. How are you? It's rhyme time. Now I'm going to tell you, I'm going to recite a new poem from lesson 5, class 4. You all know the previous lessons are okay, and is there any questions? So please forward me and I will ask you. Now, it's rhyme time, Mr. Tiger and his Sneeze. Mr. Tiger and his Sneeze. Mr. Tiger and his Sneeze. Mr. Tiger said, Mr. Tiger said, I am going to sneeze. I am going to sneeze. So he put his head down. So he put his head down between his knees. Between his knees. He opened his mouth. He opened his mouth and out it flew. And out it flew. A giant, super loud. A giant, super loud. Achoo! 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 Now let's again. It's rhyme time. Mr. Tiger and his sneeze. Mr. Tiger said, I'm going to sneeze. So he put his head down between his knees. He opened his mouth and out it flew. A giant super loud achoo. Mr. Tiger and his sneeze. Mr. Tiger said, I'm going to sneeze. So he put his head down between his knees. He opened his mouth and out it flew. A giant super loud achoo. Yes, this is my class and the interaction is fully on English. As for you, accustomed to speaking, reading, and listening through the medium English. As you all know that the English is taught by only through English, not any other. And also you means that when you read and learn again and again, and some words are confusion and the meaning of the words if you don't know, but you know it through pictures and gesture posture. That is why try to understand. Let us try it again. Mr. Tiger and his sneeze. Mr. Tiger said, I am going to sneeze. So he put his head down between his knees. He opened his mouth and out it flew. A giant, super loud achoo, achoo. Here is you see that a tiger is going to sneeze. You mean sneeze? What is sneeze? A sneeze, as you know, when you caught cold, when you caught cold, and any other, and some feelings in your nose, then it begins sneeze. So tiger also have feeling, has feeling on sneeze. How it is, how it's processed? He put his head down. You know very well when we are going to sneeze, always put our hand down, our head down between his knees, his legs, knees on legs. and legs down, knees down. Open his mouth. You also know when we sneeze, always open the mouth. That is why a tiger who is going to sneeze also open his mouth and out it flew. Flew is air from the interportion, air. A giant super loud, giant super, a loud voice, a loud voice, and voice is actual. Now I realize that you all fully understand the meaning. Am I right? Now again and again read and read and read if you want to learn it. Thank you. Thank you so much, students. Okay.